Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So in this particular video, I want to talk about three ticker symbols. The first one is IMPP, the next one is ticker symbol INDO, and the third one is ticker symbol CEI. And three of them actually ran very hard. So in this particular video, I just want to talk about the support resistance, what's going on. At the same time, some update on the price action, because if you see that IMPP was up almost 90%, INDO almost more than 100%, and also CEI almost 48%. And glad that we played. And if you are following the market, you know energy prices have been going higher. As an example, ticker symbol UCO is a crude oil ETF. We have been playing this as part of a call option. You can see it has been on a rising trend. Almost every day it goes, and if you're playing option, you are making money. In my last video on IMPP, you can see it was only around 14.5, and see what happened. INDO 14, and now it hit almost 49. IMPO was also something. So anyway, so I'm going to talk about the price action, but before that, a very good day, because for as part of the ticker symbol INDO in the morning brief, we said it is holding 19 as a support. Then we are tracking. We came up with two entries, 22.6 and 19, and look what happened in the morning. It came back all the way to INDO. So it came back all the way. Let me show you, because this thing is so fascinating and we made a lot of money on this. So it came right here, right here, 22, and then it has been going higher, right? 22.6, that was the entry. So it came here, and after that it's just going higher and higher. It went up, came down again. You can see on the 3-minute chart the EMA lines, they are crossing. If I turn on the MACD, it is also getting bullish. So all good signs here, right? So it was going higher. It made a new high because it broke 31 area. It went there, came down, but look what happened. The previous resistance became the new support, means a very strong trend. Then it was just following. It was so much to fund this particular stock. It went all the way to 48, then coming down. We're still waiting on this downtrend, and we thought maybe it will push one more time. It went to 44, but it's still end of that is a big win. So in our community, whoever entered at 22.6, we ended the day really strong, almost like 80-90%. So a very good day. And if you see in terms of what we did today, the IMPP 89%, INDO 115% based on our suggested entry, then VION 57%, STEP 14%, CEI, one of the member play, 32%. So overall a great day. And if you like this kind of alert pre-market, like for day trading, swing trading with chart and everything, entry and exit, please join my Patreon to get access to my Discord, so that you can get my early alert and you can make some money. So give a try and you won't regret, because we have been making money consistently. So ticker symbol INDO, and if you look at the daily volume, you see a big spike, then volume died, again a big spike. So things are looking really nice because the volume is coming. That's the main part. In terms of the short interest, it has only 10% short interest. Off exchange short interest is 27%. Currently no shares are available to short, and I don't know why, but it is not showing me any cost to borrow fee. It was previously 300%, somehow it's showing me 0% now, but I don't care. It's just going higher and higher. The next one is ticker symbol IMPP, and how we played, you can see that in the morning around 9:15 we talked about 2.1 2.2 support, right? So let's have a look here. So how this one played. So I'm gonna go back, and I want to see how we played this. So you see the area, right? 2.21, 2.2. So that's the area. It held strong. It came for a small dip, but it bounced back after 4-cent dip, right? It went up almost, it gave some profit. It was coming down. Then it was making lower high. We were watching, but look what happened at this particular point, right? If you look here, instead of a 3-minute, or I can go to a 5-minute just to give you a better idea. When it came here, it was breaking, and if I turn on my moving average, just want to show you how we played this again. So first one was we played from 2.1 all the way to 2.5. It came down. The next one is right here, right? The EMS were crossing. The MACD was looking good. Again, some of us entered, and see what happened. It went up all the way. It broke 2.6. It went up, came down, but whatever was the previous resistance, it made it as a new support, meaning that more is strong. And when it made this as a new support, lots of volume came and they pushed the price even higher. So sometimes you can miss a trade, maybe it's almost 20%, but if you see it's breaking some important resistance and more volume coming, you can always play. So same thing happened, it broke the resistance 3.1, came down and made 3.1 as the new support, and after hour it reached almost 4.2. Very, very exciting. So if I go to a 2 hour chart, I want to show how the chart is looking. In my last video I also talked about it. Look how it happened. It was right here, right? $7, $8, came down all the way, moved sideways for some time, and now this is getting lots of volume here. It is trying to go back up. Things are looking really, really nice. In my last video I talked about it. No shares are available to short. Very high borrow fee rate for the short, they will be burnt, right? So all the setup was there. Also, if you look at the volume, each and every day it is getting consistent volume. For last 3 back-to-back days it is getting more and more volume. So the setup is already there, right? It just needs explosion. That's the other thing. So we played both of them over our Discord. IMPP and INDO both did really, really great. Later, one of our member brought CEI because all the energy they are going higher. So CEI made a nice run and we were just tracking. So it came a little late, but we made some money, right? Because if you can see from here, it made almost like 47, 48% move. So we entered, some of us here made 20, 30%, got out, but this thing is looking really nice, going higher and higher. In terms of volume, still not that much volume. In September, October, the amount of volume it was getting, now the volume is not that much, but you can see still the volume is 185 million today, and next Monday if it can more volume, it can go even higher. In terms of the short share availability, it is zero. There is no shares are available to short. So again, this is very, very interesting. So definitely in this market, if you look at the trend UCO, this is the ETF, you can see how this thing is going higher and higher. If you look at a bigger picture, right, since December this thing almost 3 times, and as a call option play you can always play this, and you can see that all the energy thing we have it under here, right? Boil, CORN, UCO, these are our option plays, right? And also like the wheat, because these are also going higher. And if you do not know WEAT, you can see how the price is also going higher. So anyway, I just want to give an idea, wanted to give an idea of ticker symbol INDO, CEI and IMPP, because those things actually made a lot of money. So whoever played with me, without me, congratulations, and a very nice day. The market was not good, but who cares? Like if you can make 100%, if you can make 49% on of your few trades, it doesn't matter, right? So anyway, if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel. At the same time, I would say give a try. I will leave the description, the link for my Patreon on the description box. At the same time, in the first comment, give a try, join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, and you can always see all the alert comes pretty early at 9 o'clock in the morning. I come live and I discuss about the play, how we should be playing, what is the support, what is the resistance, and they did really good, right? Because if you look at the things, you can see big numbers here. So almost like every day we are getting some big move. MULN was the other one. So anyway, congratulations again if you played it. If you haven't played it, still I think it's not over. We might get a chance, but this is weekend, we have to see what is happening. Russia, Ukraine, we will see. And Monday pre-market we will make another plan, because when we say day trading, we make the plan in the morning. It's a day trading, get in, get out, make some money, right? Anyway, congratulations and thanks again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.